Welcome guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today I have the male birds outside, so I just cleaned the loft, as you can see. We also got 2 new tiger grizzles. I will show you later on. And I hope the birds will fly a little bit so I can make a video on it, and later when the male birds are inside we will put the hens outside so we can see that as well. So here we have the new tiger grizzle babies, 2 black ones. They can be turned a little bit more black and white, but we will see when they are gonna molt. So 2 nice looking ones. I picked them up yesterday for my club member. Nice birds. And then we are on the other side. These youngsters are also almost done, as you can see, under the wing. When it's fully grown, then they can be separated if you want it, of course. Here we have 2 of my best hen. The young birds are doing great, so when they are separated from the males, then we will put them outside as well. And here we have my own breed tiger grizzles, a white one and a black one. This black one has some white spots on his head, so it will be for sure black and white. These guys are also almost done, as you can see. These ones as well. Now we will have a look outside how the birds are doing. See that they taken a bed, so we will see if they want to fly anymore or not. It's not that necessary right now, so the racing season will start in about 1 month and a few days, on the 7th of April, so we got some time to train them, so it won't be a problem. Here we have the hens. They have to clean the loft, as you can see. They also want to go outside, but they have to wait a little bit. When all the male birds are back inside, we're gonna feed them, so as a reward for coming in. So we have all the birds back inside. Just feed the birds. So this will also be the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. Please give a thumbs up for me. Also, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, you can do it down below. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.